Hello, this video provides an overview of a Jenkins sample process. What is Jenkins? Jenkins is a continuous integration, continuous delivery server. Modern workloads are now distributed over multiple source code systems and multiple platforms. A tool like Jenkins helps you tie these processes together and deliver your software in a consistent manner. Jenkins allows you to create a named process and then expose it as a REST API. The process can be a number of things, a pipeline, or a simple Windows batch script. These processes can be run using a REST API, manually from the Jenkins console, or an interval, say every 24 hours. So let's take a look at a sample Jenkins pipeline. This is my Jenkins console, and I'm looking at a pipeline called Echo. As the name implies, this simply displays environment variables to the console. This can be useful when you're developing your own Jenkins scripts. Let's take a look at it. We have a description, display environment variables. This job is parameterized. You'll see some familiar ZMF variables in here: application, package, library type, and component. These will be passed from event services to your Jenkins process. Build triggers. I have build triggers remotely clicked, and that allows us to call this script from event services. This may be different in your environment depending on how you have your Jenkins instance configured. Then I have my pipeline. This is the script that's going to run. This is written in Groovy, which is in a Java-like language. And this is a one-liner. It simply takes all of the environment variables and prints them out to the console. So let's run this and see what it looks like. I do a build with parameters. Since it's parameterized, it displays all of my variables in a nice dialog box: application, package, lib type, component. I predefine the variables, so I can just hit build. You can see I've got a progress monitor here showing me the progress of the job. It's completed. So let's take a look at the output. You see my variables that I passed: application, component, library type, and package are all passed. There's also a number of Jenkins variables which may be useful to you when you're developing your own script. Thanks for watching.